Today we're reviewing this BAHCO saw. It's got a plastic handle, it's quite robust and somewhat flexible material, just as usual with saws, universal saws. It says here that it's made in Sweden, as you can see. The brand is very reputable and I can see why. We've had it for about 5 years and we use it quite regularly. Still very sharp, and even we've used it a lot. It says that it's protected against rust, but I'm starting to see here after 5 years of use a little bit of rust. So it's the only bad attribute I can say from this saw. The grip is robust as well, so you're sure that you are not going to slip when sawing. So all in all, a very good saw, fully recommended for general use in every household that has needs to cut wood.